Summer's right around the corner, and I know you guys are going to want something that's refreshing and cold. And I know them loaded teas do you right, but let's step it up and turn it into a slushie. Step one is to grab 6 ounces of water, pour it into your blender jar. What's beautiful about this particular recipe is that you can take any of your favorite tea recipes and turn it into a slushie. So you're more than welcome at this point to pour all of the ingredients that go into whatever tea that it is that you're making. Now keep in mind that when we make a slushie tea, it's not going to be separated into separate colors unless of course you want to do the whole process of like having multiple blenders and multiple cups where you just make that and then pour it into each other, but that gets a little bit more complicated. We're trying to keep it simple, quick, efficient here because most of us have a busy lifestyle or you're behind a bar at a nutrition shop. So one solid color usually works great. People love it either way. So take your favorite recipe and pour it into here. I'm going to start with mine. Normally right here, you would mix all this stuff together, but we have a secret ingredient that's going to make this turn into a slushie. It's called Xanthum gum. You can find this stuff at Walmart. We just buy the great value one. You can get whatever you want as far as brand. Xanthum gum is a thickening agent, and you only need a 1/4 teaspoon inside of that mix to make sure that everything comes together. Whether you're using a single serve blender jar or you're using a full-size blender, make sure to mix all of your ingredients in liquid alone first. We're going to add the ice in just a few seconds. Small warning for those of y'all using the single serve blender, the liftoff is effervescent, so it's going to pressurize. Make sure you open this slowly or else it'll just like and send liquid all over the place. So right now, it's just straight liquid. We're going to add ice to the fill line inside of this. Typically, if you're using a regular blender, fill up a full cup of the type of cup that you want to utilize. For example, this one would have been like a 20-ounce-ish cup. If you're at a nutrition shop, I know you guys are using a 32-ounce. I'll drop the ratios down in the comments down below for each one. That way you can make sure that you get the right proportion every single time. Ice and water are inside of my blender jar. Time to turn it into slush. Check this out. I don't know if y'all can tell. Let me grab a spoon real quick. Look at that consistency. So good. Don't get caught feeling overheated this summer when you could take any of your favorite loaded / mega teas and turn them into a slushie. Whether you do that at home or at a nutrition shop, just make sure that you get one to keep yourself cool. This right here is going to be the perfect consistency because it actually stays like a slushie all day long. I know a lot of times you've seen people do the thing where they just take a bunch of ice and a little bit of water. And yes, it can create a slushie-like consistency, but that ends up melting versus using the secret ingredient that keeps it all thick and together. Appreciate every single one of you guys that are tuning in to watch these. If you have any kind of suggestions for something you'd like to see in the future, whether that's a shake, a tea, or some sort of baked item with a product, drop it in the comments down below so I can get some ideas for some of the future videos. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe. Share it with anybody out there who wants to enjoy the Herbalife products, whether that's in their home or at a nutrition shop. We're trying to create a space where we share all of the recipes because we know how delicious this stuff is and how much it's made an impact in our lives. And we want to make sure that every single person, no matter who their upline is, who they signed up under, where they bought it from, is enjoying the same delicious product the way we want to enjoy it as well. And if you don't have an Herbalife coach, or maybe you just want to order some product, we have a link down below that you can click on. You'll fill out a quick form. You're welcome to order product at full retail price through there, or you can sign up as a preferred member and get a discounted price on all of these same delicious products that we utilize in these videos. Or maybe you're looking for someone to guide you through your health journey. Maybe you want to lose some weight, tone up, or just get healthy in general. We can help you out. If you've never had an Herbalife coach, fill out the application down below. We'll get you all the information necessary to see if we're a right fit to help coach you into getting into the best shape of your life. And let's get healthy together.
It don't get better than this. Simply the best.